The heat is on now on BBC Two, and Sir Killalot's hungry for a robot war.
We at Robot Wars have sent out the invites and places have been booked for our semi-final party. How to get a ticket? Smash 'em, bash 'em, roll it and stroll it, spin it and win it. Gears to crash, opponents to crush, and now 8 more mechanical marbles to mash.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the man whose pigeons have a military coup, Craig Charles.
You know, people harp on about the great outdoors, but what's so great about it? To my mind, the only decent smell a cow makes is when it's under the grill, and sheep dips are something you put on kebabs. The thing is, I like my house. It's got carpets and a low pollen count. It's also got a fridge, which is better than anything God invented. OK, so apple trees give us apples, but something that gives you beer, ice cream and pork pies, now that's creating. But the best thing about the indoors is it's got a television, and we're better to watch another 8 robots battling it out for a place in our series semi-finals. So stay in, sit back and enjoy the carnage. Philippa, who are tonight's house guests?
OK, I'm going to talk very quickly and run you through the Heat members because there's loads of them. Meet Tom and Jack and Mick and Crasher Nasher in the shape of a shark. It's a fantastic robot with a flexible tail. And then I'll come all the way over here. They're all spread out in the pits. This is Sting 2. Do you remember Sting 1 from the last war? This is Sting 2. It's bigger, better, with a bigger weapon, they inform me. And this is Terminal Ferocity. Honey lubricates its joints. Sorry, you didn't have time to focus. Focused? Yes? Good. OK. Honey lubricates its bits. First robot I've seen lubricated with honey, but there we are, each to his own. This is Facet. It has a camera inside. Now, they tell me they have a real reason for having a camera. It's not just posing, so that they can see when anyone comes up on the ramp, and then they know when to use their flipping power. Come back down here. Do you remember Shumi? We have a Shumi 2. Shumi from the last one. This is Shumi 2. Again, improved, bigger, better, stronger. That's what they say. Here's the story. Now, you do remember the Nemesis team from last time. What's the robot called now?
Dietor.
Dietor. The problem was they came over, they went through customs. Customs weren't sure what on earth this was they were faced with, and insisted that the guys took everything apart. Circuit boards, the whole lot, yes?
I think the balaclavas were a bad idea.
And it took 4 months to put it together. They now have 1 day, and they're sweaty, and they're depressed, and they're tired, but we're giving them lots of encouragement because we loved Nemesis last time, and we want you to do well this time.
Thank you.
So, we have to go moving swiftly on to Firestorm. Wait, go on, let's do it together. It has a choo and a so look out for all of that working. And then this is the Steel Avenger, which has interchangeable weaponry on its top and a feather duster for clearing up the mess afterwards. That was good though, wasn't it? It was very fast.
Well done, Philippa. Let's get angry, though, and see red with Shumi 2 against the Steel Avenger and that old feather duster trick. Terminal Ferocity, sweet and nice, or over in a trice for Facet, zooming in for trouble. Crasher Nasher, jaws with claws. Firestorm, fizz whoosh, about to be let loose. Dietor, customised. Sting 2 with more venom than ever before.
Well, the countdown to carnage is over. Let the wars begin!